Wow, sure. Okay, during COVID, it's $10 big, you think? $10 big, you think? $10 big, right? You know why? Because if you know money, $10 is still big. Right? Regardless of $10 also you can earn. Okay? So, again, when I collect, I don't know, I can't remember, a few thousand or about 2,000 plus or what. I can't remember exactly. I can't know. So from there I said, hey, this thing is good. I can do consuming, I can do business. So from there, our boss at the salary said, this one, do this. I said, I still say no time because of my work. My work, day and night. Event people, first person to come in, last person to go out. Okay, after you all enjoy, you mampu balik area, ada activity. Okay, my very popular area is Sentosa. Oh, every week go there. Every week, my work, I need to go there. Okay, I serve them. Okay. Business opportunity, okay. Anybody here don't want to make money, put up your hand, don't want to make. I work here happy, I volunteer. I need 10 people volunteer. Don't have everybody here, we leave our family aside, we put everything aside, we just want to concentrate, we learn this thing. How to make money. Like Uncle Peter, every week come. You see? Because he rich already.
Okay, korang dengar sendiri dulu sebelum COVID time 2022 event dekat Marina dengan Expo yang dekat Sentosa, Haji Ismail yang kontrol event tu. COVID je terus bisnes dia tutup. Tu yang dia sekarang jadi world business kita. Korang dengar sendiri
Thank you for coming. Okay. Masa angkat lagi lah. Okay, let's go. Okay, business opportunity.
Okay, korang dengar sendiri Haji Ismail terangkan macam mana dalam 8 bulan boleh dapat 100,000. Tak payah jual produk tau. Cuma kita buat apa? Selalu orang dia cakap buat networking. Sebab tu kita punya company MLM tak sama macam company lain. Nak kena jual produk. Itu dinamakan marketing jual. Kita tengok ni semua frame ni semua. Bos. Dah bikin duit billion dollar.
Provided you have a good leader. Your leader will guide you, will teach you the right way to success. Okay? So these people are most of the story all I know. Okay, I'll give you an example. This fella, number 3, Ashim. He's from Indonesia. Okay, originally he's a fisherman. He go to Batam. He start a new career selling handphone. Okay, come to Mr. David.
Dalam frame ni semua diorang nak bikin duit tau. Billion dalam frame ni semua. Betul abang ni cakap, semua dah bikin duit. Orang kita bila lagi cuma Haji Ismail yang bikin duit.
This business is only 44 years old. 44 years old on this side. Okay, he got one very big bungalow in elite area in Batam. Bungalow that was small. He got 2 island with resort island.
Apa maksud passive income?
Pendapatan pasif. Pendapatan yang masuk setiap bulan tanpa kita bekerja.
Oh.
Simple. Contohnya macam income sekarang ni dapat masuk setiap bulan kena kerja ke tak?
Siapa? Saya? Apa definisi kerja? Masuk kerja tu?
Maksudnya income masuk setiap bulan tu. Kalau let's say lah, 1 minggu ni mungkin rasa nak pergi bercuti. Income tu still masuk ke tak masuk?
Alhamdulillah masuk.
Itulah passive income.
Oh.
Pendapatan pasif. You build a system yang mana duit tu masuk. Benda yang paling senang lah. Saya
Maksudnya,
nak bagi contoh.
Kalau macam tu active income yang mana?
Active income kena kerja. Contohnya orang yang potong rambut.
Maksudnya saya dah tak ada active income lah.
Tak tahu? Dah ada active income ke tak? Kadang-kadang active income ni contohnya pernah tak buat direct selling? Once in a while lah, raya buat jual kopi ke. Kan? Dapatlah sikit commission. Itu active income. Tapi kebanyakan orang, mereka hanya ada active income. Mereka tak ada passive income. Passive income paling senang lah. Paling senang nak bagi contoh, duit, tahu ASB.
Okay.
Contohnya duit 10,000 letak dalam ASB. Kan? Dapat 5% 1 tahun. 5% daripada 10,000, RM500. Betul? Kena buat apa-apa tak dengan duit RM10,000 itu untuk dapat RM500 setahun? Tak, goyang kaki betul? Itulah. So kalau belajar
Tapi
macam
kalau
mana nak
setahun
bina passive income,
500,
tak cukup.
okay.